Okay, that's all over. Let's get resituated. And let's pull up that. Okay, so I'm going to start off here on section 6.2. It says here you can back up your tools directory. I'm not going to do that, okay? But you can read about how to do that if you think you might need it later on. And usually after it's all built and you're using it, tools directory is not really something you can keep around. Alright, you can, but I usually don't. Let's say first we have to make our device nodes, okay? We have to prepare to build our file structure. So let's say dev, we want to create proc, and we want to create sys. Okay, check it. And we're good to go. Remember, make sure you're logged out and as the root user now, and not your temporary LFS user. Okay. Okay. And you see here, well, you would see. You would see an LFS that's what's there. Okay. And we have to make node. Let's say make node. M600. Okay. Going to be LFS /dev /console. Okay. It's going to be a character device of high number 5, low number 1, minor and major. So we'll say dev console. That looks good. Okay. And we can say make node 666 dev null character device major number 1, minor number 3. Okay. That's over with. That's 6.22 where we're at now. We say mount v, and we want to bind our dev folder of the live CD to our LFS dev folder. Okay. Now let's say we have to mount v, type dev pts $LFS dev pts. Okay, that's good. Now I'm not going to type it all out, I'm just going to pull out what I need. So we're going to say temp fs, we're going to mount that to shem, we're going to mount that to LFS /dev shared memory. Okay. Okay, and we have to say type proc, mount that to LFS /proc, and also to sysfs. Need to mount that to LFS sys. Okay. 6.3 package management. I'm not going to go over that. Upgrade issues. That's all the stuff you can read. We're going to skip through all this other stuff here. Okay. And let me say we're going to jump to 6.4, entering the CH root. Okay. So we need to change root into our new system. So LFS tools bin environment -I new line, and we have to say home equals root term is going to equal term is going to equal $term. Okay. Yes, one variable is going to equal escape U stop, escape W, escape $, put a space, okay, new line. I'm going to say path is going to equal bin stop user bin stop sbin stop. We say user sbin stop tools bin. Okay. Take a look and make sure you're right. Make sure this path is set up true. Okay, you don't want to mess up here. Okay, looks snazzy. And then we have to say tools bin bash login plus h. Okay, and that's what we should got. I have no name. Okay, so you can read about what exactly we typed in there. Note at the bottom here it says notice the tools bin comes last in the path. This means that a temporary tool will no longer be used once its final version is installed. Okay, and that's another reason why I guess it's kind of good to get rid of the tools directory afterwards. But that's shaky ground, so I don't know. And then we have this occurs when the shell does not remember the locations of executed binaries. For this reason, hashing is switched off by passing the H option to bash. Okay. And note the bash prompt will say I have no name. This is normal because Etsy password file has not been created. So I'm going to try to keep the videos a little slower, a little smaller, so I don't drop any more of them. And I'll catch you in the next one.